Okay guys, now we're going to the Yellow Bastion. So we are going to follow this cobblestone street and see you up there. Hello, welcome to Sarajevo, welcome to this fine yellow bastion. Here I have this nice fellow from the Germany. Can you tell us about something, your impressions here in Sarajevo?
Okay, just here since yesterday. I see a little bit from the old town, and now I walk here up to the Yellow Bastion, and it's very impressive because it's my first time here at Sarajevo. I like the different cultures here, from the Muslimic and from the Christian side.
Sure,
Yeah.
of course.
It's very nice.
There's Muslims, Orthodox and Catholics.
Oh, okay.
Also there are minorities, Jews and other. It's a melting pot kind of the different
Yeah,
cultures.
yeah, that's very nice. Like the people live together here in the city, especially after the war in the 90s.
Yes.
Nice to see.
How do you like the city itself? What do you visited already?
It's larger than I expected. The old town is very nice to see. Yeah, and the hills around the city are very expressive.
Have you been on the cable car yet?
Not yet. I would like to go there tomorrow and see. It's like called Trebević.
Yes, Trebević.
Trebević, yes. I would like to see this tomorrow. Yes.
Okay, nice. Thanks a lot. Enjoy.
No
Stay in
problem.
Sarajevo.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you. Alright guys, I had a long and constructive conversation with Chris from Germany. I instructed him how to find a white bastion. Now we came here to eat some burek, or actually it's not burek, it's a pie with spinach called zelanica. Chris asked me, as he's already eat cevapi, what to eat further. I told him eat the burek. So yeah.